How to write Facebook captions using Meta AI. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To write Facebook captions using Meta AI, open Facebook. Now click on the plus icon located on top right hand side of your screen and then click on post. Here on the middle of your screen you can see photo/video. So click on that to add photo or video. Now select any photo. Now after selecting the image you can see say something on top of your screen. So click on that and write anything related to your image. And then click on write with AI. Now you will see this kind of pop-up. Now type anything like make it exciting, make it witty. So basically write any command to make your Facebook caption. Below the text box you can also see certain commands like make it longer, shorter, professional, heartfelt, inspirational, funny. So you can click any of them or else write any command. Here I will be typing make it witty and then click on arrow icon. After doing this, Meta AI will give you bunch of captions. So you can select any of them. You can also choose to make it long, short or professional by simply clicking on the command right below the text box. Now after generating the caption, select any of the caption that you like. By doing this, you will be successfully able to create Facebook captions using Meta AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.